Mental Right Financial. My name is Ali Taufik. What is this craze about quick money? Everybody wants to make quick money. The musicians sing about it. Movie industry make movies about making money quick. Everybody appears to be talking about quick money. Let's look at this thing called making money real quick. Is it truth, really? How possible is it? Do you also want to make quick money too? Well, find out what we have to say about making money quick. The consequences, in fact, the possibility of making money real quick as people say it, and what are the possible consequences. You're welcome to Mental Right Financial. My name is Ali Taufik, and I want you to stick to this video until the very end, as we're going to be learning about this thing called quick money and the possibility of really making quick money, and how possible is it to retain this kind of money. Welcome, and if it's your first time, do subscribe to this channel and click like button and also share with your friends. The movie industry is not left out in how they preach and demonstrate that people can really make money real quick. And it appears to be one song that most young people are used to. A lot of people have gotten themselves into trouble trying to make money real quick. And those who choose to go the way of the internet have become fraudsters, have tried to even do things that are very unspeakable in the name of making quick money. And some people who try to even make it legitimately become frustrated when the money does not come. You see courses or people who organize training and tell you that you can make real quick money in just a matter of few days doing one task or another. Or they probably want you to learn just one high income skill, and a few days, weeks or months after that, you already become rich. You see, I am very open to the idea of making money as fast as possible. In fact, I like money too, so I am not in any way asking us not to go make money. But if I ever want to make money, if I ever work on anything to make money, I want to make money happily and diligently. In fact, make it very decent and honorably. I think that's the best way to make money. But then, in the course of this video, we shall be looking at a few things that you probably have never thought about in the quest to make money real quick. Stick around till the end. But why do people want to make money? Even you, have you ever asked yourself that question? Why do I want to make money? Of course, the rational thing is to think that every human needs money, at least to exchange or buy things they want and take care of themselves. So it's a rational argument to think or say that everybody needs money. But do you have a reason that's different from the generic reason for wanting to make money? A lot of young people we see today want to make money, go on certain journey, go to places, flaunt their wealth, buy themselves nice cars and nice houses, and wear robe themselves in some good clothing, and the rest of them, then probably flaunt all of these things on the social media to impress friends and neighbors and maybe family relatives. Beyond this, I do not see too many people who just want to make enough money in order to make the society a better place or make their own life a better place. There is nothing wrong with wanting to make money and enjoy yourself. But that kind of thinking, the danger is that it is usually not sustainable. When we do not think about making money and making it in such a way that other people can also make money because you made it, then you have a long way to go. You need to rethink that kind of vision or mission towards making money. Too many young people have engaged in a lot of acts that are not legal because they want to make money. A lot of people, just as you may have seen, have engaged in ritual and many other acts that are illegal just to make money. But what are we supposed to do if we genuinely want to make money and create a transgenerational wealth? One wealth that will even outlive us, a wealth that will extend to others, that will make others rich because you are rich. The kind of riches that produces more and more of people who are going to be rich just because you made the right decision and you had the right strategies and you are able to sustain it. Then it continues to expand. But because we had the wrong idea, a lot of people landed themselves in trouble. Now, what are we supposed to do? What kind of mindset are we supposed to have if really we want to make a lot of money? Now, what are you supposed to do if you want to create a wealth that's transgenerational, a riches that can be sustained? Do not try to get rich quickly. You know why? Getting rich quickly without a serious system that can sustain it, without learning through the process that can help you retain and multiply this money, will only hurt you. And sometimes in trying to get rich quickly, we engage ourselves in a lot of hustling and a lot of activities that will only end up hurting us, or we get disappointed if it doesn't happen as quickly as we wanted. But if we create a system that allows this money to continue to come even in the future. So what am I trying to say in essence is that you think in the long term, not the now factor, not the make it now or never saying. Think in the long term, will you be able to make this money and continue to make it? I mean, is it not painful that in the future you talk about when you used to be a millionaire? That's a painful story. It's a kind of feeling of nostalgia that makes you even feel worse when you remember this in the future. But if you take your time to create a good base and a system for yourself that allows you to continue to build and make more money even when you are old and cannot walk again, I think that's the best way to go about curating wealth and making riches. It says of this quick money. It takes time, yes, I understand, but the more time you take building it, the more solid the foundation becomes and the better the system. And at some point you become a machine. You become a system that attracts money yourself because you have proven your worth over time. This is what you should do as a young person. Here is what can happen if you take your time to really build a base and a system that allows you to make money for a long time. One, you are going to be able to build a long-term income stream and possibly a different kind of income stream for yourself. Another thing is that you will be able to handle recession or inflation or whatsoever that can happen concerning money because of long-term experience with handling money, building and creating a solid foundation that come rain, come shine, you are still going to be standing strong. You don't want to build a house that's not strong enough to withstand even the slightest wind. You don't want to build a house in the air, one that can easily be blown away by the slightest wind. You want to create a system that will stand the test of time, that will live through cold or hot weather. That's exactly what I am talking about. And because of experience, you'll be able to build trust such that you get to that point where you start to use even other people's money. People can now entrust you with their money because they see that you have a system. They see that you have a foundation that has worked over time. So they are not only able to trust you, but they can give you their resources to use it on their behalf or use it to produce money for them while you also make your own percentage and go to bed to sleep. This is how people create money for themselves and not the quick money we crave. Okay, now what can happen if you make it quickly and do not take time to learn through and curate a system or base or strong foundation for yourself? One, you're likely to spend this money inappropriately if you make it real quick without taking your time to learn through. You can also lose it as fast as possible, and you will lack the knowledge to handle money because of the lack of experience. You have not build that confidence and experience to maneuver and handle money, and you will lack financial security, so the money will disappear almost as soon as it arrives, and it is not anybody but just the lack of experience in how to manage, keep and multiply money. So it's just more than necessary to learn to take our time and build this way. It will surely come when the time is right. If you have the right system, the right foundation, it's only a matter of time. If you keep doing what you are doing, and money will come to you. Remember, if you must make money at all, do not forget to make it honestly, decently, honorably. That is how to even enjoy your money when it comes. Keep watching our videos, and if you have enjoyed this, please subscribe to this channel, like our video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Thumbs up for you, and go out there and be successful. Bye.